I'm Gareth Cartwright. I'm the colleague experience lead for Hodge Bank, which is where we are today. So we are a specialist bank, so we work in a couple of different sort of areas of the financial services industry. Kind of enables us as a specialist to be really targeted in terms of making sure that we deliver great solutions for our customers in the moments that matter. We try and provide quite a lot of different sort of food aspects for colleagues at work through the course of the week. We'll go to local suppliers and get some sort of buffets, lunch, that kind of thing. And it's just a really nice way to bring people together, and it's something that really kind of nicely connects everyone, and it's a great sort of shared experience. Being introduced to the folks at Food Cardiff through For Cardiff was a really great opportunity.
I'm Matt Davenport. I'm the Senior Catering and Hospitality Manager at Oasis Cardiff. Oasis Cardiff is a centre for asylum seekers and refugees based in Splutt. The Plate project is predominantly focused around providing employment opportunities for asylum seekers and refugees through external catering or internal catering, giving a platform for skills development and integration with catering and hospitality for the wider Welsh community. It's our hope, through engaging with Oasis, using food as a medium, as a great leveller, provides the opportunity to create real meaningful links between businesses in and around Cardiff and show that we're all human beings, we all deserve happiness, we all deserve safety. I'm going to be very biased when I talk about the food. I would say that it's outstanding, and I'm very privileged to be able to experience so many different recipes from all of the different individuals that have accessed the centre. But at the core of it, the food is always delicious, nourishing, and so varied and different.
A good food movement for me, I think, is something that businesses like ours can kind of understand that they can also have a role to play in it as well. We are a bank, but just in terms of engaging with organisations like Oasis, it's really an opportunity for everybody to kind of come together. I think a pledge for us would be when we have these opportunities to bring colleagues together around food and that kind of social connection, it's using organisations like Oasis and social enterprises that have a really good purpose at the heart of what they do. Food has the power to kind of do all of those things in the right way, and so that's something that on a number of levels is fulfilling, and it really just fits in with the way we like to do things.